Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. This is the video tutorial for the Techno-Kitted Development Sir Tinter. It's a Tinter for builders. It's low lag. It uses one script on your builds. Allow people to select 65,000 colors. It's very fast to set up. It has a nice hood. Here's the hood, and can tint single prims or groups of prims, and can be used on anything of any size from a jewel to a house. It doesn't matter. If you wonder what this cube is, that's me. I'm using my cube avatar. Okay, to start, I'm going to make a small build, small and easy build of 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. There you go. I'm not a good builder, but at least I can make 5 cubes. Okay, now I'm going to grab all the cubes and I'm going to rename them. The object of renaming the cubes for the tinter is that the cubes or the prims on the link set are going to be part of groups for the tinter. So if you rename them, you can tint them in groups or as individuals. Okay, I'm going to make this one first. I'm going to make this one first also. I'm going to make this one second. I'm going to make this one second, and this one I'm going to make it second as well. Second. Okay, now I have all the all the prims named. I'm going to make them into a link set. I'm linking them. Tools, link. Okay. Now I'm going to change the description for the first prim of the link set. This is just a temporary measure. I'm going to use the number 20. It doesn't matter what number you use. Anyhow, this is all explained on the manual. I'm going to change this texture to blank, and I'm going to select any color. Blue. It's fine. Okay, now you'll see that I have a link set of 5 prims and they are renamed. Now I'm going to, well, if when I res the Sertint a lot, it creates a folder on my inventory, and first of all I need to find the second prim of the link set for creating the serial number that this is going to use. That's very easy. Just drag this script called Techno-Kitted Development Second Prim and drag it onto your build, and the second prim is going to start flashing. After that you can just delete it. Okay, now you can also grab the second prim. You need to grab the second prim of the link set, touch it, and add this script that's called the Techno-Kitted Development Tint Serial Generator. Place it on your build. Here you go. It says something, then you touch it, and that's it. That's the serial number that I add to the builder, so only you, the rightful owner of it, can use it. Okay, after that, it's the rest is fairly easy. I'm going to rest the hood in world for a moment so I can edit the note card. Here you'll see the note card inside the hood. If you remember the prims, I'm going to spec the build. They were called first, second, and second. I'm going to rename the last one to third so I can show you how it linked part. This one I'm going to name this one third. Okay, there we go. Now I gotta remember the number that I used was 20, so I'm going to start changing things in the note card. 20 was the channel that I used. Now this one was first, and the color right now is set to red. It's an RGB color. Those colors here are going to be the defaults. Then I'm going to use second, and at last third. and I'm going to delete the other line that I was not using. Okay, that's about it. I have the first, the second, the third with some colors. I'm going to save it on the hood. Now the hood notice that it has been saved, and I'm going to rename it just for the demo. I'm going to take it to my inventory. Here it is, and I'm going to wear it. Great. Now, as you see, I have the link set, and the last thing that I need to do is to add the receptor. This one goes here. That's the only script that is going to end on your build, because the other one that we placed it on the second prim, when we touched the second prim, it got deleted. Okay, now you have the tinter, and I'm going to select a group. Here you see first, second, or third. I'm going to select first. I'm going to go on the color wheel here. If you see, I can click on the color wheel and just move the mouse around and select any color that I like. This color wheel has three wheels actually. One is the center wheel where you can see the colors, then the middle rim that allows you to change from non-saturated to saturated colors. Here I'm working with non-saturated. You can see the different shades here. And at last, the outer rim that is going to work with grayscale. So, well, I selected the group first, and I'm going to select the color, and I'm going to click on set color. Here you go, the color that I selected. I'm going to change it again to another color. Now I'm going to select another group, that group of second. I'm going to make it pink. Here it is, pink. There we go. And the third group, the single prim, I'm going to make that one onto a grayscale. There you go. Okay, basically I can click the default button and change it to the default colors that I place it on the note card, and also I can select another color for the third and another color for the first group, and whatever. Actually, this only uses this script on your build. The scripts are copy transfer and no mod. The object is actually mod, and well, your builds are mod. After all this, you can see, well, once again, the default button, and you can hide the tinter. As you see, this is very easy to set up, and you can find it on InWorld, on TechnoKitty Development, or on Second Life Exchange. That's the TechnoKitty Development Sir Tinter Tinter for Builders. Thank you for watching this presentation, and have a nice Second Life.